Hello! Today I will show you how to disable your Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A25. First, you'll need to open the main menu. Simply scroll up to do this. Then go into Settings. While in Settings, scroll down and go into the Google tab. It should be about halfway down. In Google tab, scroll down to the very bottom and go into Settings for the Google apps. Then go into Search Assistant and Voice, once again at the very bottom. Go into Google Assistant, because that's what we want to modify. Go down and we'll need to locate the General Settings. It should have a gear icon next to it. Here it is. Then simply tap the toggle next to the Google Assistant option. Tap Turn Off to confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.